Meet Murat, Burak, Ayşe and Zeynep. Murat is a doctor at a Turkish public hospital. He struggles to communicate with his foreign colleagues because his English isn't very good. He also wants to improve his team working skills. Burak, a plastic surgeon at a private hospital in Istanbul, is going to open his own clinic for foreign patients. If he improves his English, he can communicate well with his new patients. Ayşe is a nursing student. Her professor wants her to join a British research team. But she isn't confident about communicating with them. She also worries about the future, about workplace challenges and engaging with patients. Zeynep, a hospital manager, hopes to increase revenue by attracting health tourists. Her medical team needs to upgrade its career and language skills to be successful. Murat, Burak, Ayşe and Zeynep all face similar challenges, and they all want to act now to improve their skills and achieve their goals. The problem is they can't find any high-quality training programs in Turkey to help them. Then they heard about Highway, the innovative language and employability achievement program. Offers a course devised by international writers, Turkish healthcare experts, medical and nursing professors, educational psychologists, and human resource professionals. Specific to the Turkish healthcare framework, the materials include typical Turkish workplace scenarios with Turkish characters and illustrations by a Turkish artist. Highway is for healthcare professionals who want to develop their careers, to transition and explore. Highway is for students of nursing and medicine who want rewarding and successful careers. Highway builds on many skills, including language, confidence and employability, and aims to increase professional influence. Highway has helped Murat, Burak, Ayşe and Zeynep and thousands of other doctors and nurses who serve in Turkey's healthcare sector. Highway is published by UniHouse, a British education institute with a reputation for enhancing careers and the capacity to communicate effectively. Highway, for your career.